Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make the best gobe and kaklo or tatali, and you will love this recipe to the maximum. Just watch this video to the end as I take you through the process. So in my pot, I will go in with my beans, and the beans I've already picked the bad ones from it and washed it thoroughly. I will add enough water to make sure it covers everything. I will then add onions instead of kanwa or potash or baking soda. I will then cover it and allow it to come to a boil for 20 minutes. Whilst waiting on the beans, let's proceed with our kaklo. If you have overripe plantain just like this, do not throw them away, okay? Because we are going to make amazing dish called Kaklo. And you'll love this. In my asanka, I will add some peppers, ginger, onion, and then calabash nutmeg. And this spice will make all the difference here, okay? Be sure not to skip it, okay? I will then add salt to make it easier for me to grind, but you can use blender if that is what you prefer, okay? But I wanted to go local. So after everything is done, I am going to peel my plantains, and here the plantains are very soft, so you have to be very careful and make sure you thoroughly wash it before you start your process, okay? So I will be adding it one after the other. I will add one and then mash it like this before adding the others. So I will continue with this process till I'm done with all the plantains I have. So whilst I was doing that, my oil was also on heat. So once my oil is well heated, I am going to scoop small quantity of the butter and then be dropping it into the oil and allow it to fry. So next I am going to check on my beans, and here my beans is almost ready, but not to my satisfaction. So I will just remove two or one and then mash it like this to see if it is well cooked. So I covered the beans to cook very well because we want the beans to be very soft. As you know, the gobe people do it. So back to our kaklo, I am flipping it around for the other side to be also fried properly. So make sure to be checking it from time to time because we don't want it to burn. So once my kaklo is ready, I am going to remove everything from the oil. And as you can see, the kaklo soaks so much oil. So make sure to transfer it onto a paper towel for the paper towel to drain the excess oil in the kaklo before you eat it, okay? Because we don't want to fall sick. Just look at this kaklo. It's so tempting and inviting. Just try this recipe and you'll love it. And this is how you should cook your beans to be very soft. And once it is done, we are going to dish it out and just see this recipe. Just tell me you are not falling in love for this. Enter kitchen, I beg, and go and recreate this right now and let me know in the comment section, okay? So I added small gari and then palm oil, and I added my kosiani meko. As you know, a typical Ghanaian day, I can't eat gobe without any eggs. And this is the end of this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.